everyone, QUEERVEE here with something new, and well, it's not new to me, but it's new to you guys. It is a new plant from a plant subscription box called Houseplant Shop, and oh my god, I'm like looking at myself doing this, and it looks so funny because my mouth is still numb. I just got back from the dentist. I had a crown, but put on, so yeah, I look so funny, but this I want to do it ASAP because I gotta open my plant and I don't know what's inside, and I thought it would be a fun video. Even though my channel is mostly art, I'm just gonna throw a plant video in there because I don't care about the YouTube algorithm. I'm gonna post whatever I want. So I'm gonna post about this plant that I got, and because of the stimulus, I stopped subbing to this box for a while because I didn't have any money, and also I ran out of room for plants. But thanks to the stimulus check, I was able to resub to this, and I also got my friend in another state one too. So hers should have gotten there today too, but I haven't heard from her yet. It's a surprise, so we'll see if she likes it. And I don't know what this is, so let's find out what it is. It looks cute and tiny. I'm not gonna look at there's like a sheet that tells you what it is. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. Look at that. I'm like, where's my camera? Oh my god, that looks so awesome. Okay, how am I gonna like open this without getting dirt everywhere? Usually I open it in the kitchen, but I thought it'd be fun to do on camera. Alright, so let's be careful with this rubber band. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm so excited for this plant. I don't know what it's called yet. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's so pretty. There's going to be dirt everywhere. Let me just like pop it out of here so that I can show you guys and not get dirt everywhere. There we go. It looks like there's some dead leaves around the bottom, but it looks like it's in good condition, and like all the like pink and red is so pretty. Oh my gosh, and like the pattern on the leaves, this is just a gorgeous plant. This is a straight up gorgeous plant. I love, oh my god, this is gonna turn into one of my favorite plants. Let me stop freaking out about it and let me see what it's actually called. I'm gonna have to like lift it up so you guys can still see it. Okay. Oh god, I'm probably gonna say this wrong. Hypostis polka dot. So really gorgeous picture. It looks just like the picture. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm obsessed with this. This is like my favorite plant I've gotten from here. Most of my plants I've gotten from Houseplant Shop are up in the attic. I'm going to grab the one that I have down here just to show you guys real fast because it's doing pretty well. Some of the leaves got a little bit sunburned, so there's a little bit of like a chunk out of a couple of the leaves, but other than that, it's doing great. It's a lot bigger than it was when I bought it. Well, I got it in a box, but I got this in a different box because they have like a premium box that has 2 6-inch pot plants in it. So this was one of them. This is like their regular box that just has like one house plant. Actually, it's pet friendly box, so that's like so pets could eat it, but I don't want them to. But just in case they do, they're not gonna, it's not gonna harm them. But yeah, this is like a Dracania. I don't know how to say it, Dracana, but I love it. It's so pretty, and like I'm really glad that it's doing well because when I first got it, like one of the leaves already had like the sunburn on it, and then one of the other ones got it, and I was like, oh no, please be okay. But it looks gorgeous, and it's so huge. I have to like because it's so spread out, I can't keep it like by my computer or by my art because it's just like it's so in the way. So it's like just over by my window. But yeah, I really like Houseplant Box. I've had some really good luck with them. I like the other plants I've gotten, but yeah, they're all in the attic, so you can't see them. But you can see this one, my new baby. So pretty. Okay, oh my god, I was just worried for a second that my mic wasn't on, and it is. I was like, there have been times when I've recorded a whole video and the mic wasn't on. And I was like, that would suck because this was a reaction video. And I'm so happy with this, and I hope that my friend Michelle really likes hers that I sent to her. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Yeah, this is gorgeous. I'm going to have to find like a really cute pot for this, and it's definitely going to be down here because I want to see it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I mean, I'm in the attic plenty, so I see the plants up there too, but I want this in my room. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Can't wait to show this to my mom. Be like, look, mom, it's so beautiful. Like, the colors are so interesting too because it's like some of them are pink, and then like some of them are red, and then on the bottom they look kind of pink, and then like, oh my god, it's so cool. And some of them are like really light pink. Oh my god. And some of them are like more white than green, and some of them are more like a weird pattern. Look at that pattern. It's so like crazy. Oh, plants are so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna stop being obsessed about this, but like, it's just so beautiful. It's not gonna focus on it, is it? Focus on my plant. Focus on it. Focus on it. It's not gonna focus on it. Focus on it. Alright. Well, you can... I'll be done with shoving my plant into your face now. Alright, thank you for joining me in my new plant unboxing. I can't wait to give this a proper home. Bye, everybody. Thank you so much to my patrons, Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, and Jill. You guys are the best. Love you guys. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.